Hi there, guys. Once again, this is Jazz, aka Trend Trader for you. I had a long day today. Worked a 12-hour shift, and I was able to trade a little bit. And here I am. I'm just trying to put this video out before everybody sleeps. It's very important that I put this out, especially for the people who are following me and who became my members, in these past few weeks. So here it is. So what I wanted to talk about today is the sectors, okay, where the money is actually moving in. The reason why I wanted to bring it up so you can actually take a look at it and actually act on it tomorrow. And I will also talk about all the trades I took today, just like I do every day, or once in a while whenever I can't do that. So I'll try to hurry up before my wife calls my name downstairs. And so here we go. Okay. So what I'm looking at today, I'm trying to show you guys. We had a really down day today. Well, actually, we've been having a lot of bearish sentiment for the last few days, but I'm trying to put a perspective for everybody where exactly the money is going in, or where I think the money is going in. Okay, so as you all know, there's a sector rotation video that I did a few weeks ago or a couple of weeks ago. So if you need to review that. But I'm going to talk about nine sectors, right? Nine sectors that SPY is made up of, or all the stocks are divided into basically nine sectors. Okay, so the first sector is XLY. Okay, and also I made a video uh, about the candlesticks, the basic candlesticks. So for the beginners, you should know what a red and what a green candlestick is. Okay, red basically, let me zoom it in a little bit. So red meaning is bearish sentiment. Mostly, the prices were down today. There were a lot of bears, and the prices opened up here at 66.11, and it's closed around 65.34. The high of today was, if you look at this box, high of today was 66.23. The low of today was 65.16. And if it was a green day, it will be open low and close above. So just understand the concept that red is the bearish day, green is the bullish day. Okay, so first one is XLY. Okay, so I'm just gonna cruise through them. So but keep an eye at the end. The a lot of people's light bulbs gonna go on, and you'll be like, wow, this actually makes sense. Okay, XLY, which is what, consumer discretionary, right? XLE, energy. Okay, down day. XLF, financials, as you can tell from here, financial ETF. So basically what it is, once again, XLF is an ETF. All the banks, all the financial stocks are weighted into this ETF. So Bank of America, JP Morgan, Citi, Wells Fargo, they all weigh a little bit in this ETF of XLF. Okay, so basically down day on XLF. Okay, XLB, materials, the big down day. XLK, uh, which is your technology, down day. XLP, a down day, opened up and went down. Actually, this is slightly bullish, but well, the overall picture right here is slightly bullish, but this is a down day. Okay, XLV, it's healthcare, big down day. And check this one out. XLU, what is this, guys? XLU, utilities. What do we have? A green day. Do you guys see why I showed you this, all these sectors, and at the end I'm showing you XLU? XLU is what? XLU is utilities. You can live without going to Disneyland. You can live without driving a new Ford car. You can live without going to the movies. You can live without well, you gotta pump your gas, but you can stop taking bigger trips, right? You can live without a lot of technology, accessories, blah blah blah. But you need to have gas in your home, right? You need to have electricity in your home. You need to eat, right? Cereal, blah blah blah. You need to do a lot of ADLs. I call it activities of daily, life, right? You need to do that, right? So what is going on right now? In my opinion, the money is actually coming in, or the big fund managers are trying to bring the money into the safest or defensive stocks, which are XLU. Utilities, XLP is your consumer staples, XLV is your healthcare. Some of the healthcare stocks, obviously you gotta have healthcare, right? You gotta have insurance and blah blah blah. So all this stuff is eventually. So what we're going through right now is a sector rotation. We're rotating the money right now. Okay. So once again, I'm gonna go back. XLY. Okay. Now what I'm doing is I'm gonna put 3 stocks for each sector. I done this whole homework at work for you guys, so I'm gonna make it really quick and easy. So XLY, McDonald's. You don't have to eat at McDonald's, right? It's down day, right? It's part of what? It's part of XLY. Amazon. Amazon. You don't have to shop, but I mean, there are a lot of stuff you can get from Amazon. Once again, I could be pointing out a sector. XLY, let's say XLY is a sector, right? Consumer discretionary, but you could still have a bullish stock in there. Not everything is gonna go down. There's something that's gonna stay up, right? Maybe it could be Amazon. It could have stayed up because it's a major housing service, right? They provide. Who doesn't order from Amazon? Okay, so third one was Ford. Ford is down. So now let's go to XLE. The XLE is an energy factor, right? Basically your oil companies and stuff like that. Exxon down day. Halliburton down day. WMB, Williams Companies down day, right? Then you go to XLI. XLI is industrial, right? Industrial. Let's do actually MMM. This actually opened a higher. Actually opened low and closed a little bit higher. Okay. So let's do. XLI was MMM, down day. Caterpillar, open high, closed a little bit lower. Okay, and UPS, okay, down day. Now let's go to XLB. XLB is a sector material. FCX, Freeport McMoran, down day. IP, I'm just gonna cruise through them. Okay, PPG, down day. That's again, these are all part of XLB materials. XLK, the stocks in there I have is Google, Qualcomm, down. Walmart, down. This little bullish, but it's down. XLP is last one. Actually, my bad, it was T in XLK, which was down day. Okay, big down day actually. XLP was Walmart, so that's why I say it was big, because now what are we talking about? Consumer staples, right? Down day. MO Altria, actually a little bullish, but it's a down day, right? CL, down day again, but again this is a little bullish. Okay, XLV is the last sector, healthcare. J&J, down day. What is the next one? PF, Pfizer, okay, down day. UNH, bearish day again. Now let's talk about XLU. XLU we had a up day, and if we look into a couple stocks in there, AXC, what are you seeing? You're seeing a bullish day. Money's coming in here, right? Money's coming into where? Money's coming into defensive stocks. PEG is Public Service Enterprise Group, up day, right? Look how it had a big down days, and money could be coming in, and it's actually a nice reversal into the downtrend. Okay, AEE, up day again. GAS, which I had on my watch list. If you went on my website, I traded this today and did okay. So this is a really nice setup. Okay. Okay, so you guys see what I'm showing you right now? This money is where coming, and money is coming into utility factor. The money rotates, Then it's an art of reading how to read the sector rotation. There's process that you go through. And one of the website the videos that I did, it gives you a little bit of a good explanation to it. Okay, since I'm a technical guy, what I'm looking at is a trend. I'm looking at candlesticks. I'm looking at a support, resistance, blah blah blah. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you guys. And as far as I'm gonna put out some educational trade ideas, but only for the people who are on my member list. And I've been getting quite a bit of emails to put themselves, put nice people on to the on my email list. So like I said, guys, it's about 8:03 p.m. and I'll try to do that before I get to bed. Put some of these XLU sector stocks and say, okay, this is an idea, this is an idea. It's up to you, whatever you want to do, your account, you take your losses, you do paper trading, whatever you want to do, okay? But this is what I wanted to show you guys. Hope you learned quite a bit from it. Then again, you can pick a beat up sector. For instance, nothing comes up to my from my head. XLP, right? You can pick in sector, but you can at the same time go through all the stocks in XLP and pick the stock that's actually bullish, right? You can do that. So that was that. And after this, and like I said, I'll go over. So actually, I said this is the my few followers. If I have time, tonight video is going to be a great one. I'll make a lot of light bulbs go on in your brain. And I also said these are the stocks that I'll talk about. I think I covered energy. Energy was down actually because of the earning. SCG is SCG. Okay, up there again. So how big downtrend, right? And then you have in a up candle, right? Again, this, I mean, it doesn't mean that we're gonna go up, but what it means that it's giving you a better setup than comparing Ford, okay? Then comparing Bank of America, then comparing all the lot of other stock. I would take, this setup over this setup, or over MCD over this setup, because I know in bearish market today we had a lot of stocks that were up, and which stocks that were up and what sector they belong to. So anyways, I repeat myself, but this is the way I learned, and this is what a lot of people learn. I got a lot of emails saying that it's good that I repeat. So but anyways, guys, I'm not gonna go through these whole stocks, but here, even at work, I was able to put some ideas. Don't tell anybody, guys, or I'll be fired. Okay. Thor, right? I called that Thor. Long above 23.99, stop below 23.69. Quickly, man. I'll just do it. THOR, Thor. I'm not going to the 3 minute. Let's go into here. 3 minute. Okay. Okay. This is where I called out. I mean, it doesn't look a lot, but this was my stop. This was entry. Went up whole buck. Before it came out. And remember, this was a trade I called yesterday. Similar setup. It was yesterday, I believe. Right here, right? Similar. That's why I said I'm taking profits or take some off. But today, WAG actually went up, kept going up yesterday, but THOR, it totally reversed. Instead of going up, it came down. So that's exactly what day traders do. They lock in their profits, move the stop to break even, move the stop to a point where they won't get hurt enough, and or if they even get hurt enough, it's not gonna totally kill their financial picture. Okay, so this was one of the trades, and then then I'm not gonna go through the other ones, but you guys can go in here and see WAG. I called this one. This worked beautifully. WAG, I'll just show you the uptrend, right? I think I called right around here. Look, from the 59 something, it went up to 61. It all depends on you. I could take my profits, after 30 cents, 40 cents, a dollar, but hey, it depends on your comfort level. You want to let it go, or how many stocks you're take off 100, take off 100, take off 100 here, so it's all depends on you. And then I call sale. This one was, I believe, this was cancel trade or something. CCE. This was a nice candle setup, guys. SPY drop in. Sale is cancelled right here. And then I said, don't chase the stock. 7 out of 10 times it will come to you. So don't chase the stock. And I said 191, guys. 191 doesn't hold. See more selling. If you look at the SPY, you'll see 191 why it came to an effect. Of course, I have some special well, how about I have a miracle ball that I can tell. No, I'm just kidding. But there was an area where a market profile area where he said, it's not gonna, it might not hold, and if it doesn't, it can keep going down. Okay, so Bank of America, it was never triggered. I did get stop out, guys, but look at the timings that I call this NLNK. Watch around here, Thor long trade. Okay, I called Thor, which I was uh, this was second trade I called. I was stopped out. I admit to that, and rejected again. And long here, NLK, and this was I was able to kind of uh, it didn't move much, so I was able to kill it. But if you're saying that it was stopped out, yes, it was stopped out. Okay, so I have two great trades and two small stop outs, and that I've low listed here. And guys, you understand this, that when I put these trades here, uh, sometimes I have to take the trade, and sometimes I actually belong to other chat room, and I have to post over. I mean, I'm trying to, put as much as information I can, and sometimes in a way I do miss some trades, and I kind of beat myself up for that, but whatever. But I do put some trades here, do put some trades in the chat room I belong, and I don't know how to work around it. I gotta work up with come up with a better system where I have to either take the trade or not call all the trades. And there's some times like today I didn't call this one GAS, right? I didn't call that, but it was a great setup. I took it around here, I believe, and this was what gas is XLU, so that's why it worked, right? So I was scanning stuff, it came up to this, but uh, but anyway, so I can't call all the trades out, and I might just call all the losers out, right? Or I might just take all the losers and call all winners out. But I have to come up with a better system where I need to be productive myself, and because I'm just doing this charity work, and at the same time I need to do something that where I can generate a little bit here and generate there, right? But that's it, uh, and yes, I'll try to put that email out, maybe a couple charts or something for the members, so that they can look at those XLU setups, and I'll give them, okay, this is entry point, this is a exit point, or whatever, right? So that was it, and appreciate you guys listening, and I did get quite a bit of emails about signing up, so keep spreading the word, guys. I really appreciate it. Take care, and I'll be sending out the weekly analysis either tomorrow or Saturday. So keep an eye out for that. And good night, take care, and time to eat some Indian dinner. All right, bye.